Anyone can tell me what did we learn last week? Let me give you a hint, huh? Hello, Sophia. Hello, Isabella. I know you're there. Okay, last week we learned about toweling, right? Toweling is to put many small shapes together. Okay, let me show you like this square one. And I can also do arrows. Let me show you this kind of arrows. Oops, I think it's too much. Something like that. Hello, hello. You can say hi in the chat. Then I can say hi to you back. Okay, today we'll be learning about 2D rotation, yeah? Anyone knows what does rotation mean? What does it mean? What's this? Okay, I'll give you a hint, huh? It's to this. Or the other way. That's right, it's spinning. Right, I can draw a snail with some spirals over here. Can't really draw the face. Anyway, it's about 1 more minute. Then we will start with our third lesson of geometry. Okay, oh, it's 5:30 now. Now let's introduce myself. I am Teacher Chio, in case this is your first time seeing me. All right, I'm the K2 in charge in Think Academy. So nice to meet all of you. And today we'll be learning something about rotation. Now let me show you what's rotation. Look over here. We got two cats. What are they doing? What are they doing? They are spinning, right? So rotation, you can think of it as spinning. Right? How many ways can you spin? Okay, let me show you how. First of all, do you know where is the left and the right hand? Okay, now put up your hands, put up your left hand. Left hand should be this one, huh? This is my left, right? So I'll show you my left hand, and this is my right hand. Yeah, so I'm on a chair that can spin. Let me show you the two ways I can spin. I can spin to my right, this way. I can spin like this. Spin one. Or I can spin the other way, right? From my left. The other way. Now, how many different ways can you spin? Right? The answer is only two. You can try spinning now. You can only spin in two ways. Huh? Okay, now these two ways we can, we have a name for it, the two ways to spin. First way, okay, before that, do you know what's the name of this thing? This is called a clock, right? I think some of you have this in your house. This is called a clock. Where does the hands move? How does it move? Where does these hands move? It moves, oops, it moves this way, right? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick. If you look closely at your clock, it should move this way. Now let me show you. Clocks normally rotate in this manner, right? And it has a name in this direction. Remember, there's two directions, right? The normal way is called clockwise. Okay, you see this name is so convenient. It has the word clock inside, right? All you have to remember is called clockwise. This is the normal way. Now, what is the not normal way? Let's take a look. If I move in this direction, right? Just now we say it's like this, right? Okay, let me show you again. Just now, oops, just now this one. Okay, let me show you how it moves now. Everyone take out your right hand. Okay, from the top, you go towards the right like this. And then you spin, 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 spin. Okay, this is clockwise. Now, the other way, let me show you, is the other side. Okay, from the top, you don't go to the right. You go to the left, this way. All right, put up your hands, try yourself. Go this way. Okay, this has a name also. It is called anti-clockwise. So do you see a familiar word again? You see clockwise, oops. Spoilers, there are two different names, right? Let me show you the first way again. First way is called anti-clockwise. So just now the normal way is called clockwise. If it's the other way, we say anti-clockwise. What does anti mean? Anti means not clockwise, okay? Let me write here. It is not clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Now, there's one more name. This is called counterclockwise. What does counter mean? Counter means the other way. Okay? Other way. But these two names means not clockwise, basically. You can think of it as not clockwise. Normally, we will use anti-clockwise, right? But take note, remember both, because in your homework, you need to be able to write both of these words, okay? So first way, from the top towards the right, this is called clockwise. If it's the other way, this is called anti-clockwise or counterclockwise. Okay, the other way is more special. Now, the first thing we're going to do this lesson is to find out how the objects are spinning or rotating. Let's take a look at this one. This is on your worksheet. Now, the first thing we see is, what's this? What's this thing called? This is called a baseball. Now, this baseball is spinning, right? How do you know? Because there's this arrow over here. Okay? And how do we know whether it's clockwise or not? Remember, we take out our hands, right? Just not clockwise, go which way? From the top, it goes to the right over here. Okay, take a look. Going to the right. This is your right hand, by the way. Your right. Okay, just follow my hand. It goes to the right. All right, so look at this arrow over here. Where is it going? To the right also. So this is clockwise. Okay, so we can find out by waving our hands. So the first thing we're going to circle is this one over here. I will circle this using pink color. Now, what about the next one? What animal is this? I think this is called a manatee. then T, something like that. All right, anyway, this is a sea creature. Now, let's take a look at how it's spinning. Is it still spinning this way? No, it's spinning the other way, right? Is this still clockwise? No, this is not clockwise, right? Or anti-clockwise. So we do not circle this one. What about this one? This ice cream over here. Someone dropped it. Then it starts spinning. How? How is it spinning? You follow the arrow, go down like this. All right, go towards the left. And you see, is this clockwise? No, it's not. So we don't circle it as well. Okay? Let me give you a hint again. Later you have more questions to try yourself. Clockwise means what? Okay, put your hands on top. Up high. Then you go towards where? Towards the right side. Right? Clock moves like this, towards the right. Okay, like this. Alright, now, next part here. I want you guys to try yourself. In 1 minute, I will say the answer. Okay? You can tell me which ones are the objects that are rotating in the clockwise direction. Okay, remember we're looking for clockwise. Okay, I'll put here A, B, C. All right, tell me in the chat which one is moving in the clockwise direction. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute. Meanwhile, I will keep spinning my hand just so you know which one is the clockwise. Okay, by the way, I'm moving clockwise by hand. It's clockwise to you. Ooh, someone already said AC. Okay, good job, good job. Okay, Daniel, A is indeed clockwise. What about the rest? Anything else? Candice, what are you talking about? Try again. Clockwise is this one. Look at my hand. Look at my hand. Okay, I think it's been 1 minute. Let's see. I see many A and C's. All right. You are correct. Very good job. So let's see. Look at this arrow over here. I'm going to use a different color. Let me use this blue color. Okay, let's follow the arrow. Going this way, right? Now, what is this? This is clockwise, right? You can tell using by how you write using your pencil over here. Oops, I erased the A. All right, now let's take a look at the other one. Is this, firstly, what's this? What vegetable is this? This is called a lettuce, right? Yes, Daniel, is A and C. Good. All right, so this B goes this way. Is this still clockwise? It's going the other way, I think. This is not clockwise. What about C? This is a shuriken. This is a very dangerous weapon. Yeah, you shouldn't have this in your home. Okay, I don't think any of your parents have that. So let's see, how's it going? How's it moving? Going this way. Is this clockwise? Yeah, I think it is. Yes, very good job. So, yes, B is anti-clockwise. Very good job. Oh, you know how to spell anti-clockwise. Very good. Okay, let me circle the correct answers. The answer is what? Is A and C. Okay, very good job, Daniel. Very good job, Xingyu. Okay, let me circle A and C. A and C. Good. Now, we're going to try something more difficult. Let's take a look at this one. Sometimes I like to throw my teddy bear up in the air, like this. Then while it's spinning in the air, I can take photos. Then I will get these pictures over here, right? While spinning, I take pictures. And I line it up together, and it kind of tells me how is it spinning, right? Okay, let me show you the first part over here. How is this teddy bear spinning? Okay, how do you read this? You read from left to right. Look over here. The teddy bear was upright at first. Then it's spinning. Right, but how is it spinning? We need to focus on one part of the teddy bear. Now, the most beautiful part, not beautiful, the cutest part, I think, is the head. Right, let's take a look at this one. The head. The head was on top over here. Okay, very good. Someone already said clockwise. Very good job. Now, let me see. Yeah, it's at the top. Now, where do you go? It goes to the right. Okay, now let's take a look one by one from left to right. After that, it will be at the bottom now. Then it goes to the left. Now you can imagine in your head, or you can use your hand. At first it's top, then the right, then bottom, then left. And then you repeat. What does this tell you? Does it remind you of anything? Yes, this is the clockwise direction. Okay, very good job. Now to show you, to prove to you, I'm going to put all the images together like this one. Okay, starting from this, again, spin, spin, spin. Do you notice the head? Let me show you again. From the top, dum, dum, dum. Yes, moves like this. Right, so this is clockwise. Let me write it down. Clockwise. Now let me show you the other way. The pictures are slightly different. I want you to take a close look at how different is it. Okay, I'm gonna flick between the two screens very quickly. Right? Oops. Let's take a look at this one. Is this slightly different? Yeah, it's not exactly the same, right? So let's take a look. Let me use a different color. It's purple this time. Okay, good job, Daniel. Now, at the top, right? At the start, we have the teddy bear's head at the top. Then it goes where? It goes to the left. So it didn't go right now. Someone already got the answer. Yes, okay. And then it goes down, and then it goes right. Then it goes up a bit, then it goes left. Okay, so let's see. Using our hands again, if you can't imagine in your head. From the top, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. Okay, then your hand starts moving on its own. Oh no, I cannot control. So it spins this way, right? Is this still clockwise? No, this is not clockwise. This is called anti-clockwise or counterclockwise. Okay, now to show you again, this is how it works. See the top, left, down, right. It's no longer clockwise. Okay, and why am I teaching you all of this? Because there's a question that you need to find out which image is next. Okay, so firstly, I'm a bit hungry. What's this one? This is a skewer with many nuggets on it, or meatballs. I can't even figure out. I like to eat both, right? Right? I hope you are not that hungry, not as hungry as me. All right, let's take a look. I have a skewer over here. It's rotating in a certain way, right? There's two directions. It's one of it. Maybe you can guess it's 50-50. Or you can find out by focusing on where? Focusing on all the parts. Focusing on one part, okay? Now this is, I'll teach you how to do this. We focus on which part? I think we can look at the stick part over here because it looks a bit small. It's easy to spot. Okay, look at this sticking out part. The stick, it's at the bottom. Okay, put my hand at the bottom. And then it goes left. Then it goes top. And then the right. And then down again. Okay, it's everywhere. Oh my God, I circled this for what? Right, I need to use my hand. So let's see. Someone already got the answer. Okay, so let's see which one is correct. Go down. Okay, I start from down. Down, left, up, right, down. Which one next? I need to follow the direction, right, of the rotation. So you see, down, left, up, right, down. Now you can imagine yourself spinning like this. So it should go which way? After down is what? After down, it should go this side. Yeah. So what's this side? This is the left. The stick should be pointing to the left. So let's see which one is correct. Okay. Okay. Yes, someone even pointed out the correct direction. Good. Okay, it is clockwise. Look over here. The answer is B. Right? The stick is pointing to the left. Okay, very good job. Some of you have sharp observation skills. Okay, very good. Now, it's time to try yourself. I believe you can do it. I have another toy over here. Not a toy. It's a rabbit playing with a flute. Let's take a look. Okay. Now, obviously, it's so engrossed in playing the flute that it doesn't realize it's spinning. Oh my God. Okay, good job, Daniel. You're right. Okay. It's spinning in a certain way. Which one comes next? Okay. This one, you try yourself, yeah? I'm going to give you 1 minute before I reveal the answer. Okay, meanwhile, I will still spin. I don't spin in my hands, I spin my chair. I will count to 10. After 10 spins, I'll come back. Dun, dun, dun. I see some answers. Okay. 宇宙拿铁. Okay. All right. I have a lot of good answers. Let's see whether you guys are right, huh? Is everything B? All the answers seems to be B. All right. I am going to review the answers. Now let's take a look. I'm going to focus on one part. So, how do you tell if this is a rabbit? You tell by the ears, right? The ears is the most special part. So let me circle the ears. Look, ears at the top. Okay. Then it goes to the left. Then down. Then right. Then up again. Okay, good job, Xingyu. Right? Anti-clockwise, right? So it goes top, left, down, right, up. So it's going this way. Is this clockwise? No, this is anti-clockwise. Yes, very good job, everybody. I think everyone got correct. Very good. Very good. Candice, Xingyu, 宇宙拿铁, and Daniel, very good job. The answer is B, because the next one, the ear should be pointing to the left. Okay, very good job, everybody. The answer is B. So now, I think you mastered rotation already. Is that a harder question for you guys? Let's take a look. Now, I have a box with 4 empty space here. Okay, we need to follow the mouse. This mouse is working very hard. It's running laps around it, around the middle. Okay, so it starts at the top, left, down. Okay, and you can already guess it's gonna land on where? It's gonna be at the right side, right? Because look, again, it's a snapshot. Top, right, top, left, down, right. So let me draw the mouse over there. On your homework, you can do it too. Let me draw the mouse. I'll try my best to draw it beautifully. Okay, give it 2 eyes. Yes, I did it. Okay, yes, I did a quick draw. Okay, yes, it's on the right. Very good. Now, how do you know this? Because you know clockwise already, right? Yeah, you have mastered clockwise. Now, instead of just one mouse, I think we can make it more difficult. Let's have 2 different animals over here. And we know the classic cat chase mouse problem. Look over here. This is basically Tom and Jerry, right? Tom chases Jerry. And look, they are chasing each other. This one's a bit difficult because there's 2 animals, right? Can I just look at one? Yeah, actually, that's the way you should do this question, right? If you look at only one animal, it's easy to find out where that animal will land in the empty spot. Okay, for example, I can take a look at the mouse. That's what we did just now. Yes, thank you, very cute. Okay, we can take a look at the mouse. Look over here, it's on the right, down, left, up. We imagine the cat's not there, right? We just look at the mouse. So let me draw the mouse first. With my quick and good drawing skills, let me, oh my God. Okay, I did it. Mouse with 2 eyes. Okay, good. With a little mouth. The cat is where? It's yeah. Now I drew the mouse. Where's the cat? I can take a look at the cat again. Starts from the left, the top, right, down, and it ends up in the left. Very good job. Now it would be. I try my best. This one is a cat, right? I hope you guys can tell. It's not a tiger, it's a cat. Okay. It might be a bit too much if you want to look at one at a time. I mean, if you want to draw one at a time. Maybe because they are moving in the same way, right? They're moving in one direction together. They're not moving in different directions. We can pick a leader. Okay? Imagine they're running together, right? The cat is chasing the mouse. Who's in front? The mouse is in front, right? So you can imagine if you're the bird, you're looking down. Oh, the cat's chasing the mouse. The mouse is leading the cat around and around and around. So no matter where the mouse is, the cat is where? Right behind it, right? Yeah, okay, very good job. So next time when you see two animals, you can find out who is the leader. And then from there, you can find out where is the other animal. Okay, let me show you another example. But you can try this one yourself first. This one. I have a chicken, sorry, a rooster, and a tiger. Okay, oops, not a cat chasing mouse, huh? It's a tiger chasing the rooster. All right, I'm gonna give you some time again. Try to find out where both animals are. Okay? And maybe you can draw on your book over there. Draw on your worksheet if you have. Okay, where is the tiger? Where is the rooster? I'm sure you can figure it out. Okay, but notice, where is the tiger? Where is the chicken? Is the chicken on the left of the tiger or is it opposite the tiger? Okay, I'm gonna give you some time. Meanwhile, I'll try to spin. This time with both arms. Now at home, you can do this also. It's gonna make you stronger. It's called exercising. If you are lazy to go up and move, you can do this at home. If you're done with this question, you can ask. You can think about it. Is my hand moving in the same direction? Let me change the way. Are they moving in the same direction? You can also test yourself. Can you make your hand move in the same direction? Daniel, what emoji is that? Okay, the tiger is on the where? What does that mean? Okay, someone already said the right answer. Okay, Yujo Natie, you are right again. Very good job. See you also. Very good job. Okay, now the tiger, look at the start is on the top right. It goes right, down, and left. Very good job. Let me draw the tiger. Oh, let me do a very good orange. Look over here. I will do my best in drawing the tiger. Give me one more second. I try my best. The tiger looks like that. And then the rooster, can it be on the top? It has to be the opposite, right? You see, on every picture, it is on the opposite of the tiger. Let's look at this one. Oh no, looks like I'm drawing a ghost. Okay, and one more touch over here, and the two eyes. Boom, boom. Okay, I managed to draw the rooster. All right, very good job. Oh, tiger is down. Are you sure, Candice? I feel like you're giving me the wrong answer on purpose. I know you can do this. Okay, they are always opposite, yeah? Okay. Now, I think this is the most difficult question of today. We have 5 minutes left. Let's take a look. Let me give you some more difficult tasks. I think you're all doing very well now. Now, let's take a look. Firstly, what did we learn today? We learned these two different directions. Remember what are these called? Okay. First way, the normal way, this is called a clockwise direction. What's the other one called? The other one is called an anti-clockwise. Or what's the other name? The other name is counterclockwise. Okay, only the other way has many names. Huh? The normal way, very easy, is clockwise. Okay, so these are the two directions you need to know. And then, why are we learning this? Because we need to imagine how shapes can rotate. So just now, teacher has been giving you the questions, right? I need to create a question by thinking how it will rotate. Now it's your turn. How would these shapes rotate? Okay, I give you some shapes that are fairly easy to draw. This one you can try yourself on your paper. If this triangle over here, right, this is the starting position. It's like this. Imagine the tippity tip, the pointy tip on my head over here. This is the head of the triangle, right? Now, depending on where you want to go, let's say I want it to go clockwise. Where do you think the pointy part will go? You can choose to move your body like this, like this. Then it goes to the right. Then it goes down. Unfortunately, I can't flip anymore. So let's imagine I'm upside down. Okay, then first, let me draw the triangle after it's moving on the right. Let's look over here. Okay, firstly, it became like this. And then where do you go? I need to go downwards. Where's my pointy part pointing? It is pointing down. Okay, and it's going to go right side. I mean left. And then it will go up again. Come on again. Okay, I hope you can try this exercise yourself. Because next time, you can test your parents. You can draw a random shape. Okay, for example, you can draw this weird looking shape right here. And then you can spin it. You can draw it out. And then you can test your parents. Oh, which shape comes next? I think you'll be better at them at that. Because why? You come to my lesson. Then you can teach your parents how to do this. Okay, and there's one more question. One more part. This one is slightly easier. This is an arrow. Where is it pointing to now? Pointing to the left. Huh? Now, in the last 2 minutes, I want you to try yourself while teacher is going to draw on the board. Okay? Or you can tell me, which direction do you want me to draw? Okay, just now I do, what direction is this? Does anyone know? For the triangle. Triangle, I did clockwise. Maybe I will do anti-clockwise for my arrow. Anti-clockwise. Okay, I see some of you want anti-clockwise also. Okay, let me try. From the right, I need to go down. Right? This is anti-clockwise, right? If you can't remember this is clockwise. If you want anti-clockwise, you just go the other way. Okay, the other way, like this. Okay, and to save some time, I'm not gonna make the arrow very thick. I'm just gonna draw a simple arrow like this. Right, down, left, down, right, up, left, like this. Okay, very simple. Oh my God, look at the time. It's 6 o'clock already. Now let's summarize what we learned today. Firstly, we know what are the two different directions of rotation. Okay, the normal one is called what? It's called clockwise. All right, very good job. Say one more time. Clockwise. Now, do you still remember the other way? It starts with A. It is anti-clockwise. Okay, very good job. Now, there's also another name. It's called, start with C, counterclockwise. Okay, say it again. Counterclockwise. Good job. And second part, I also can tell how an object can rotate through images like this. Okay, from left to right, you just look at the image, then you can see, ooh, it's moving in the clockwise direction. Wow. The paper isn't even moving, but you can tell where is it spinning, right? Okay, that's an impressive skill. And then lastly, you can tell how more than one object rotates through images, okay? And we learn how to do that by focusing on one animal, right? Or one object. We focus on the leader. Yeah, and then that will be all. I have created some questions for you to do. Remember to do it at home and send it to your group, okay? Oh no, you need to tell your parents. Sorry, I realize you don't have a phone. You tell your parents. Tell your parents. Take a picture and send it to me. I will record a voice message to praise how good you are. Okay? Give it a try. I'm sure it's fun as well. Okay, by the way, artists, people who draw, they also need to know rotation. Yeah. So not only math people need to know. All right, go have fun with the homework and hope to see you next week. All right, thank you all for coming. See you. Bye bye. Thank you so much for supporting. 宇宙拿铁 Candice, Yu Xing, Xing Yu, and Daniel. Okay, thank you all for participating. See you next week. Bye bye. And Isabella, Sophia, I know you're watching. Bye bye.